Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain the making of vitrified tiles in hydraulic press. The tiles are made using hydraulic pressure of the oil. In this video the tile shown is 600 by 1200 mm or 2 by 4 feet. It is also called as 60 by 60 centimeter. You can see that the single tiles are formed in a single stroke. The maximum 10 strokes can be made in a single minute. Means that 10 tiles of 600 by 1200 are manufactured in a single minute. For 1 hour the tiles are formed are 600 tiles. The cycle of press is around 7 to 10 strokes per minute. It is a continuous process where the tiles are formed one by one. This is the rotator in which the tiles are rotated from downside to upside. This helps to the surface of the tiles to be even during the manufacturing processes. This is the vertical dryer shown in the video. It heats the tiles at temperature around 100 degrees Celsius. The heating helps the dryer to be strong and be passed to the next stage. There are various types of dryers, mainly horizontal dryer and vertical dryer. Now we will see the back side of the press where the tiles are formed in the press. The tiles powder is fed into the press feeder. As you can see that the powder is passed into the feeder with the help of the rotating slider. The slider helps the even filling of the powder. As you can see that the back side of the feeder has various belts, pulleys, sensors and various instruments. It is an automatic process in which the powder is laid to the tiles mold. This is the single type of feeder. There are different feeder for different manufacturing types. You can have different feeder for double charge vitrified tiles. This feeder is for glazed vitrified tiles. It is single layer tiles with digital printing on top of the surface of the tiles. As you can see, the slider moves from press mold cavity to the feeder through the steel frame. The feeder, which is attached to the back side of the press, is made level to the die box of the hydraulic press. The cooling tower is used for the cooling of oil in the hydraulic unit. Water is circulated through pipes in the cooling tower. The main process of pressing of the tiles is done with the help of oil pressure. The oil pressure may be around 130 bar for the final cylinder stroke. There is also an electronic unit attached to the press. It displays the information regarding the thickness details, stroke, dimension, change, pressure and other electronic details. The tiles formed out of the press is also known as green tiles. It is the tiles that pass through the press and before entering the kiln. The moisture content of the tiles is around 5 to 6%. It is stored in various silos. Each silo has around 100 tons capacity. Around 10 to 15 silos are there for storing of the powder. The moisture content of the tiles powder plays an important role in the tiles formation. As you can see, the green color frame is used for setting the proper amount of tiles powder. This frame is slided through the feeder. It slides through the die box cavity. The lower punch automatically adjusts the tiles powder required through pre-set dimension in the electronic unit. Most of the valves are operated through pneumatic pressure or air pressure. The thickness of tiles is around 10 mm. In the hydraulic press, depending upon the syringe, the tile size are reduced.
For more details regarding different press manufacturing companies, check out the link in the video description. There are various models for press for manufacturing of tiles, according to the production capacity and sizes required. A force starting from 250 to 400 kg per square centimeter is applied using the hydraulic oil pressure through the hydraulic unit. There are different number of presses available for manufacturing vitrified tiles, floor tiles, wall tiles and other tiles according to the sizes required.
Now we will check the vertical dryer. It is used for preheating the tiles so that it will be easy for movement of tiles till it passes to the kiln. It has various baskets or racks in which the tiles are kept. The tiles basket are rotated slowly till it completes one full round. The temperature of the dryer is around 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. Depending upon the tiles, it has various blowers and burners to heat the tiles. After that, it is passed through the glazing coating. In the next process, the loading and unloading is automatically set in the hydraulic press and vertical dryers. There are also 5-layer horizontal dryers used instead of vertical dryers. Right now, many factories in Morbi are preferring 5-layer horizontal dryers for many advantages over horizontal dryer. The horizontal dryer are used for those who are having space problems in the factory. To control the speed, various sensors are used in the press. It is preset according to the press stroke or cycles. As the speed of the press increases or decreases, the electronic unit automatically changes the speed of the rollers. This press shown in this video is of Secmi company, one of the famous and popular company in manufacturing hydraulic presses. The Secmi company headquarters are situated in Italy. There are two series of press in Secmi, known as Imola series and 2000 series. The model number of this press is PH6500. It is classifies based on the maximum press force in kilonewton kN. This press 6500 has maximum pressing force of 64,000 kilonewton. The cycle rate is around 17 to 20. Do you know that how much is the weight of this press? It is around 150 ton of the hydraulic press model. Various large hydraulic cranes are used for erection of this press.
The current cycle of press is 9 stroke per 1 minute. It means 9 tiles of 2 by 4 feet in this video can be produced in 1 minute. Total production per day will be around 13,000 tiles pieces per day approximate. As you have seen in the video that a rotary converter is used to rotate the tiles. The tiles formed in the press has upper side at the bottom of the punch and bottom side at the top of the punch. At the back side of the tiles, it has various marks such as company logo, laying of tiles arrow, direction and made in India mark on every tiles manufacturing using this press. It has two parts. One is lower punch on the bottom of the die box cavity and upper punch on the upper side of the press. The punch is controlled with the help of magnetic force. The tiles manufacturing in this video is glazed vitrified tiles or GVT. The sizes is 600 by 1200 mm or 2 by 2 feet. Thanks for watching this video regarding how tiles are made. For more details, visit my blog ceramictilesblog.com for regular update regarding ceramic tiles and vitrified tiles, wood tiles, floor tiles.